Hello everyone. Today we will see the Excel VBA dictionaries from the Excel workbook. This is served as a macro enabled workbook. So from the developer menu we can go to the Visual Basic. These are the notes for the dictionaries. To work with the VBA dictionaries, first we have to set the object reference Microsoft scripting runtime. So from the tools, from reference, you will see Microsoft scripting runtime. You have to tick this and click OK. And first of all, in the sub procedure, dictionary example 1, we will see that first of all, we have to declare the variable as scripting.dictionary. Here we are declaring the variable. So that is from the first note. Then declared variable is the object variable. Then second one is we have to set the object reference for the object variable by using the word new. So this is the variable we declared. So then we have to set this variable. This is the dictionary. So this is equal to new scripting.dictionary. Now we can access all the properties and the methods of the dictionary. Now after that, declare one variable as variant. For the result of the dictionary, we have to declare that as variant. So we will declare the variable as dictionary result. That is from the fourth one. So from the third one only, we can access all properties and methods. Here you can see dictionary. We are adding into the dictionary using the add. So then there will be key and item. You can see, I will show this is the dictionary. The variable we declared. There are parameters. You can see few things are here. Then we can add, remove, and remove all as well. Now here we are adding. Then space. Then key and items are there. We can give some mobile brand here. One of the mobile brand Redmi is given there. Now we will give iPhone, comma, for the item we can give the price of the mobile brand 100,000, right? Like this way we can give. We'll remove this one, right? Then after adding the details to the dictionary, then variable dictionary result has the item of the key we have added. This variable dictionary has the item of the key. So dictionary of that brand we can write, but we add into the key that will be within bracket of that will be equal to the item of that key we have added. So you can see here the dictionary, then within bracket key will be there, that is equal to the item. That's what we wrote here. That item is assigned to the variable dictionary result. Then the sixth one is the result of the variable in the VBA message box. Through the VBA message box, we can see the result. So message box, dictionary result. Okay, now we will run this. Cursor between this procedure line. So we can run. There's a message, 30,000. This is the brand we added into the dictionary. Key and the item as price. So in dictionary, this is the key. The result will be the item of that key. Key is the brand name of the mobile. Then item will be the price. Then through the message box, we are getting the dictionary result. That will be the item of the key. So price of the mobile brand Redmi. Here you can see the key. It should be string. So we have to write within double quotes. Whatever the string or integer, we have to convert this to string. So within double quotes, we have to write the key. Item can be both, whatever. We can write integer, string, whatever that. So we will move to one more example. This is another example. You can see dictionary example 2. Same as earlier, we are declaring a dictionary. This is the phone dictionary as scripting.dictionary. Then also we are declare the variable dictionary result as variant. This is the common thing we have to do. Also, we have to set the dictionary, the phone dictionary is equal to new scripting.dictionary. Then we are adding all mobile brand using the dictionary.add. Then we are adding the key as all brand of the mobile phones, then the item as prices for the each mobile phones. Then in the dictionary result, we are getting the input from the user for which mobile brand we are going to get. So dictionary result is what is that? That is from the user. So application.input box, and the prompt we are asking the user to please enter the phone name, the brand name of the mobile. So here using if statement, if phone dictionary dot exist. Here you can see this is the another one from the phone dictionary which exists. We can check if this is there or not. Then phone dictionary dot exist, the dictionary result that is from the user. For example, if the user enter the mobile iPhone, if this is exist there, then message will be the price of the phone in the dictionary result. It will be iPhone. Then for the phone dictionary of dictionary result, this will be equal to the item. So item is the price. So for the mobile phone, iPhone is this price. The user entered in out of from this dictionary keywords, then there will be the message. The item is not here from this library. Then finally we can set the phone dictionary to nothing. Okay, now we can compile this and serve this, and we will run this one. We will type one of the mobile brand name. Please enter the phone name, Redmi. Okay, you can see the price of the Redmi is 15,000. Here you can see that is 15,000. Okay, now we will see the another example that is here. Example 3, the dictionary for the employee database, employee dictionary. We are declaring that. Then we are declaring this dictionary result as variant. Also, this is from the worksheet employee database. This is the sheet employee database. So we have to declare the worksheet as worksheet. Then we have to set that worksheet from this workbook dot worksheets of employee database. We have to copy this worksheet and paste it here. After that, we have to get the all key and item under the post statement. So we have to declare variable I comma r search as long. Then we are assigning to the r search from the worksheet that is here, this workbook dot worksheets employee database from here. Then dot range a1 dot current region dot rows dot count. This is the total number of rows from this worksheet, that is 19. Then r search will be 90. So within the post statement for next I, for I is equal to 2 to r search. Here the first employee ID is starting from row number 2. So 2 to here r search is totally 19, right? So then here we are declaring the variable id as string. So for the key should be string. If this the key is a string, then we don't need to declare this one directly. We can write this line to this key here. If this is a integer, if the key is integer, then we have to declare the variable as string. Then we will assign this one to that variable. So from the worksheet, cells I comma 1, row number I, column number 1. From the column 1 dot value, the value of that cell, that one, the dictionary employee dictionary dot add, using the add, then space, then key colon equal. We have to put colon equal, that is id. Now this is a string. The employee IDs, these are string, right? Now Other one is comma item. Item can be anything, string, integer, whatever. So we are getting all these details for the particular employee ID here under the item. So within double quotes item, then ampersand, then we are copying this and paste it here. Only we are changing the column number, that you can see, that is column 2, that is name. And for the line continuation, we are putting the underscore, then ampersand, then within double quotes address from the third column, then here third column, then phone number, that is from fourth column, email is from fifth column. Every detail we are getting in one line for the particular employee ID. Then closing the statement, as it is earlier, we are assigning to the variable, that variant variable dictionary result. Then from the user we are getting the employee ID using input box, application.input box. In the prompt we are writing, please enter the employee ID, and we can give the title as well. Here we can give the title, comma, then double quotes we can give the title. You can see title here. The string prompt all only is a required thing, others are optional, right? Then under that there is if statement as earlier. Example, employee dictionary.exist of dictionary result. What's the detail given by user? If that is exist in the dictionary, then message box. Employee ID, the employee ID will be here, that is given by user. And person, then this sign will be there, we can give. Then finally the employee dictionary of dictionary result, that is the item. Item means these all details will be there for the particular employee ID. Then in the else case we can give the message box, there is no one with this employee ID. Closing the if statement, finally we are setting nothing for the employee dictionary, then close the sub procedure. Now we can run this one. You can see the employee ID is from 400 to 417. We'll run this. First of all, we will click OK without giving anything. You can see there's no one with this employee ID. Also, we will do one more thing. From the development menu, we will take a button here. This is for the only for this workbook. Dictionary example 3 is the sub procedure. Okay, we can rename this dictionary employee database. Okay, right. Now what we have to do, right click this and from the format control, and then from the properties, tick the move but don't size with cells. Okay, right. Now what we can do, click this button to run the sub procedure. Okay, you can see the input. So please enter the employee ID. We will type some text. Okay, there's nothing. Okay, now we can enter 400. Okay, you can see for the 400, you can see employee ID is 400, arrow mark, then the name is this one, current, then address, hold on, then the address, phone number is this one, then the email ID is this one. You can see we'll run this again, 470. For the name Sobanan, 470, right? In this way we can use the dictionary. Thank you for watching.